channel. It's your girl Simone here, and today in this vlog I'm actually gonna be doing a couple of self-care things, a couple of maintenance things. Now it's been a while, obviously because of quarantine and the pandemic. Obviously I got my nails done, which is why I'm talking like this, but it feels so good to look like myself again. And don't get me wrong, I really enjoyed the no makeup, the no eyebrow, the real natural look. I really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed putting myself together, doing my own gel, nail polish, and all that stuff. So in this vlog, I got my lashes done. My first time actually loving them. It's been a while since I got my lashes done. Pause. I got my lashes done once 2 years ago, and it wasn't the best. I did my nails. I got blue marble. You guys have seen these fingers look like sausages for the last 2 months. And then I also got my hair done. It's been a huge while since I've done my hair. Oh, you know what? No, it's been a while since I've gotten my hair done. You guys know I usually do my own hair. Alright guys, so before the lash tech comes, I just wanted to get rid of a few brown stains, so I am making a homemade concoction that I found on Google and have been using for a while. This little area right here, Zoe has peed, okay? I just rolled out the white carpet again. It's been tucked away since I got her, and now that I actually feel like she's somewhat potty trained, I decided to lay it back down flat. And here I am just spot cleaning some of the areas that were ruined when I first got her. Hey guys, so I got my lashes done. It's finished. It's cute. You guys have seen me transformed within the last 2 videos. First, I got my brows done, and now I got my lashes done. What's next? But yeah, they feel really good and comfortable. I had the best nap of my damn life, okay? That was sleeping like that. I felt so good. She was knocked out too back there, and she didn't even get her lashes done. She just naturally knocked out. Yeah. My groceries did come, so I'm about to unpack those, and then my aunt should be on the way so I can do her braidless sewing. And yeah, good guys, my lettuce bun veggie burger came and it looks so good. I'm gonna show you guys how I eat it, okay?
Oh my God,
I'm gonna eat it for
I
you
love
guys.
you too. But why are you trying to bite my hand? I don't understand.
But she loves you. Don't fight the love, Antonia.
Oh my gosh.
Burger. Hi guys, so today is Saturday. I'm actually going to my aunt's house to get to do my hair. It's gonna be our first time trying out microlinks. Hopefully they come out right. We don't know how it's gonna come out. Now for my hair, I'm about to go just extra blow dry, which I probably shouldn't, because I just took a shower and didn't use a shower cap. So it's kind of frizzy, but I'm gonna have to flat iron it anyways with the microlinks. So I probably just maybe might hold off on it. I'm not sure, but I was gonna just sneak and blow dry it really quick, but I was like, I don't want to do any more damage to my hair that I'm about to do in a couple of minutes. Oh, my hair is itchy. But I need to pack some oil, more oil, wax stick, edge control. So this is gonna sound really weird, and I almost guarantee you that it's really bad for you. Well, I mean, it can't be. It's for the body, but nothing works for these armpits anymore. Ever since quarantining, I feel like my armpits is on a whole other level. And like, I will never allow myself to smell like onions or like cook food or anything. I will never. So I'm gonna still wear deodorant, but it's just annoying that before quarantine, when I wore deodorant, it lasted like for a good like day. I would shower. Maybe if I'm staying in the house all day, I might not put it on, and I was still smelling fresh and smooth. Lately, I don't know, these armpits kind of mind of their own. Since I've been juicing, I feel like my body is like flushed out. Most of it's flushing. So I feel like it has went back to smelling amazing. But this product that I've been using, do not judge me, okay? But I've been using this. Okay? Summer's Eve vagina spray. And it worked. So I just be using it under my armpits. And honestly, this thing lasts you for a good ass time. I'm sorry, don't come for me in the comments. If y'all have a really good, strong deodorant that y'all know smells really good and lasts really long, let me know down below, because so wait, you farted again. Jesus, oh my God. Oh. You stink. Okay, so this is my first time ever doing microlinks. Okay, this camera is making me look freaking orange, and I literally have little to no makeup on. I don't even have foundation on. I'm not sure what's going on. But this is my first time ever doing microlinks. Honestly, I think we're both scared about the process. We did actually buy one of the tools wrong. The circle things that I am using is actually better to use for braidless sewings, but the only thing that I had here, so I had to just make it work. I didn't buy the right ones in time, but if you are gonna buy and try microlinks, which I have a complete tutorial, which I will be uploading tomorrow, it should look like this, okay? And honestly, I got it done on Saturday, and I love it. It feels good in my hair. I could wear a ponytail if I want. It matches my hair. Hi, baby girl. It matches my hair, it feels good, it feels good to wake up and be able to put your hair in a ponytail. I got tired of waking up with cornrows because it was messing with my head. Like, after a while, when you wake up with cornrows every day for the last, oh, I don't know, 4 or 5 years, and I don't mean the neat ones, I mean the messy ones, it starts to make you be like, damn, I just want to wake up and be cute. Like, is that so hard? So it feels good to just be able to have majority of my hair out. I don't gotta worry about lace or a wig or nothing. However, I do have several wig videos coming up, so I'm gonna have to just cornrow these down or put it in a little ponytail and put the wig over. We're gonna make it work.